All right, welcome back to Cruise Control. My name's Eric, and today we talk about the 2022 Jeep Grand Cherokee. Let's talk about that right now.
Welcome to Cruise Control. My name is Eric. We're going to start looking at some new cars and used cars to find out what's the best option for you. Let's see what's up next.
All right, so the Jeep Grand Cherokee comes normally right now in 3 rows. Now we're going to get a 2-row. Same engines as before. So the 3.6 liter V6, 293 horsepower, 260 foot-pounds of torque, same towing, 6,200 pounds, similar gas mileage, 19 city, 26 on the highway. Drop it by 1 if you're going to get all-wheel drive. Now, if you get the V8, you get a big bump in power. So 357 horsepower, 390 foot-pounds of torque, get 1,000 more pounds in towing, so 7,200. But miles per gallon drop, 14 in the city, 22 highway. And pricing with the V6 should start under $40,000. Not a bad deal. But I'm really interested in the 4xe model. So this is going to be similar to the Wrangler, where you get so many miles that you can drive an EV alone, and power numbers are really good. So let's start with the battery pack. It's 14 kilowatt lithium ion battery pack. It comes with that same 2-liter turbo that the Wrangler comes with. 2 motors, total output is 375 horsepower, 470 foot-pounds of torque, can still tow a decent amount, 6,000 pounds. But the big kicker here is driving 25 miles in EV range alone. Price is my concern. So the regular model is going to start under 40,000. We don't know the exact price, but the 3-row right now starts at 40. So I'm guessing at least $2,000 under. So maybe 38 and change, versus this one's going to start at around 50,000. So you're talking $10,000 to $12,000. And if you drive 25 miles a day, assuming your house is off grid, powered by solar, so you don't have to pay for electricity, where you can charge it every day for free, it's going to take you 7 or 8 years to recover that cost. Because if you're charging at a charging station, then you're still paying like regular fuel prices. But if you're charging it at home off grid, then we can just assume, hey, I don't pay for gas. This covers my commute around 9,000 to 10,000 miles a year. And if you're getting that for free, I'm assuming gas prices with my calculations about $3.50 a gallon for regular fuel. And of course, those prices may go up over the next few years, and then you would recover the cost faster. But still, $50,000 starting price, I don't really like that. I really wish it was more like 45, 46. That would make a lot more sense as far as being able to recover the cost. But what do you guys think? I think it looks fantastic. I like being able to drive on EV mode alone. That's going to save you fuel. But again, unless you're keeping this vehicle for many years, which a lot of you guys will do, it's going to take a while to recover that cost. So which one would you guys get? The base V6, cheap as possible, big V8 because you want more power and more towing, but you're going to be paying a penalty at the pump. Or you're going to pay a little extra and still be able to tow almost as much as the base model. So 6,000 pounds with the 4xe, 6,200 with the base V6. So only 200 pounds difference. So towing still pretty good with the hybrid. I wish it was at least the same as the V8. So that way you're getting you're already getting the torque here. I mean, you got 470 foot-pounds of torque versus 390 in the V8. You got 80 more foot-pounds of torque, but you tow less. I guess it's the weight of the batteries that's holding back the towing capacity, would be my assumption, but I could be wrong. Tell me down below if I am. But which one would you guys get? Or would you guys buy something else? My name's Eric. This is Cruise Control. Thank you for watching.